We got our Amazon order. I am gonna go ahead and open them up and show you what I got. I know what it is. It's my towels. I ordered towels for lymphatic drainage. So we have to use towels instead of sheets. It's much easier. I ordered some from Walmart because my original order through Amazon wasn't gonna be here in time. Then I ordered the ones from Walmart, and then I was like, shoot, I should have ordered from Amazon anyway, just to have like some more. And so I placed an order yesterday for the towels, the same towels that I ordered before, and they got here today. So it's perfect timing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you the towels that I got from Amazon. Alexa, turn on Office. Here are my towels. All right, so I got these 24-pack salon towels. They're considered hand towels, 16 by 27. The ones from my training, the instructor, she uses 16 by 30, and I couldn't find any that were within my budget for that size. So these are about 3 inches shorter, so I'm guessing an inch and a half each on each side, but it'll do for now. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And a lot of towels. All right, so I'm just gonna pull one out so we can just see the quality. So it's a 16 by 27. Get the whole thing in there. They're pretty good size. They're made, so my purpose is going to be to cover the chest area and then cover the bottom area. So yeah, they're pretty good quality. They're not too bad. They're thin, but they're still pretty good. I thought they were gonna be a lot thinner. I already bought this brand before, but the smaller ones, and I've had them for about 2 years, and they actually have been holding up really well in the wash. So I'm hoping that these do the same. So there they are. The Utopia brand through Amazon. If you are in the market for towels, these are pretty awesome.